Welcome back. We've talked about systems, sensors, and calibration. But now, let's talk about the little things that make a huge difference in your day-to-day operation. This episode is all about smart accessories and validation kits. Because a perfect system with a messy setup, it's like driving a race car with flat tires. You know what I'm talking about. Cables that look like spaghetti. Sensors with missing labels. Clamps that fall off mid-cycles. Cases where everything almost fits, but never quite. We've spent years observing CQV engineers in the field and listening. Then we build kits and accessories that solve real problems, not just check boxes. Let's walk through what's included in a smart validation kit. We have pre-cut, labeled. We have battery kits for expert log sensors, smart gaskets and clamps, labeled and pre-configured Xsense connectors and expert loggers, clamps that stay clamped, quick connect feed-through, custom trays for transport and in-chamber setup, and yes, labels that don't fall off when it gets humid. Everything has a place. Everything is ready to be used, so you spend less time unpacking and more time validating. And here's where it gets better. We offer custom kits based on application, autoclave, tunnel, freeze dryers, etc. Number of sensor, wired, wireless or mixed system, cleanroom friendly materials. Think of this as a validation plug and play. Instead of assembling your kit like IKEA furniture, just open the case and you're ready to go. Need a quick pre-calibration setup? You've got a foam insert with numbered slots. Need to jump between equipment in different areas? Carry the light case with everything inside. No more heavy pushing of equipment trolley. And it's not just about convenience. It's about reducing risks. No mix-ups, no missing sensors, no oops, we forgot the dry block feed-through moments. Every minute you save during setup and teardown adds up. Over weeks and months, that's hours recovered. And yes, that means more time for critical thinking and maybe a lunch break. Need to qualify a system in Tokyo next week? We'll ship your validation kit over there from our local laboratory, fully pre-configured. Need your kit to work with any digital tools, like Neat, Cloud, and so on? We'll match labels, data formats, and workflow. Even this little thing can save 10 minutes per setup. Multiply that by 40 sensors and 5 cycles, and you've already paid for it. We don't just manufacture systems, we engineer user experience, because we know thermal validation isn't just about accuracy. It's about reliability, speed, and sanity. Want to buy your own validation kit? Need accessories for specific formats, bottle type, chamber layouts? Challenge accepted. And this is episode 6, where we finally give the spotlight to the gear behind the gear. Because great validation doesn't happen with just the right system. It happens with the right setup. In the next episode, we'll show you how all these systems talk to each other, including how to connect to the cloud and integrate with Neat on your favorite digital platform. Until then, stay organized, stay efficient, and remember, a good engineer uses good tools. A great engineer organizes them. Sayonara and goodbye.